Hey everybody, it's imagreatbigman here, and here is my new model, or my new toy. It is the Hornby model of the Peppercorn Class A1 Pacific, the Tornado, number 60163. And I just got it a few days ago, and I gotta tell you, this is perhaps one of the nicest models I've ever had on my model railway. It is a very smooth runner, it's very strong puller, and the one is just an immaculate engine for the price I paid for it. And look at the size of the drivers. I mean, those are absolutely enormous. And look at the color. I mean, that is the LNER apple green. I mean, you can't beat that color. I was very close to getting this model in the British Railways Express Blue, and then that model sold before I could buy it. Then there was the special edition, which had the British Railway Brunswick Green with the later British Railway logo, the older one, and it also sold, so this was the one I had to buy. But I gotta tell you, I'm very happy with purchasing this model. I'm very happy with it. It is a very nice model. There it is. It's got some 3 Hornby coaches I purchased a couple days ago. They are built by they're Hornby coaches. They're actually made in Great Britain, which means that they're definitely old, but they were never taken out of the box. So they're the teak LNER coaches. So I think those are the right coaches to go with it. And I got a couple of Bachmann coaches at the end, and those are from the Hogwarts Express. So they don't really match, but those are the only coaches I have to go with this model. This is a very particular model. It's like I said, it's very strong, very smooth, and this is actually the very first model I've ever purchased from the UK. The coaches I got here in Canada were just a few miles away from where I live. The model came from the UK, so it got here pretty quickly. That's Royal Mail for you. Very impressed with the shipping. So I'm going to run it around my table for a little bit, and yeah, here we go. I like those teak coaches, those LNER coaches. Those are nice. This model goes very fast too. Well, there it is, everyone. My new model, the Tornado. She's definitely a keeper, that's for sure. Layout's a little messy, but I don't know, I think it just adds backdrop or background, don't you think? Anyone want some china for sale? Yeah, she's definitely a smooth runner. That squeaking you heard, that's from my 2 red coaches back there, so it's not from the engine. But there she is. The Hornby model of the Peppercorn A1 Class Pacific Tornado. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to give it a like, a thumbs up, or leave a comment in the comment section. So this is I'm a Great Big Man, showing you my new toy, which I'm going to enjoy for a long, long time. So, have a good day. Talk to you later.